And now, the most exciting part is I'm gonna call our model! Yan here!
Hi guys! I am the model.
Tingnan mo up.
Mura man siya kuan mga.
Kani mo up. I also make it for me.
Char. Nice.
Oh. Hey guys! Welcome back to Mama Quatang's channel. For today's video, we're going to make two different easy face masks. First is the no sewing face mask, and the second is making the face mask through hand sewing. As we all know, we are already in the second wave everywhere all over the world. So I decided to make face masks again for us all to be protected, for us all to be ready just in case there will be another shortage of face masks. Okay, are you excited? Let's go! Okay guys, we're done with our quick and easy face mask. Guys, if you're looking for a fabric, I highly recommend buy a fabric that is a little bit stretchy. Or you can use your old shirt or any of stretchy material you have. Ayan. Okay. So, the first pattern, don't worry, I'll gonna put this pattern, first pattern in the description box. So, we're gonna just trace this in the fabric. Then cut. So easy. No sewing. I said first mask is no sewing. So then, okay. And for our second mask here, I have the pattern. There's a little bit curve, and then so I use the same fabric, the stretchy one. So as you can see in the video, there's some stitches here. That's hand sewing. So it's just so easy. Just cut on the side, and then that's it. And then also this pattern number 2 will be in the description box. Okay, and now the most exciting part is I'm gonna call our model. Yan here.
Hi guys!
Yeah.
I am the model.
Yes, so first mask is just the fabric, and then just being cut, and then no sewing. Okay? Try. Try it. Di kani mo up.
Wala man siya kuan,
Kani mo up.
mama.
Kani mo up. No.
Why is it so big?
No.
Where is
Kani
it up?
up. Yes.
Why is it so big?
No, it's just okay.
Siya bahag.
No. It's just fine.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah. So how is it?
Very airy. Lightweight.
Light.
Yeah.
Very light. Okay, no sewing. And then, yeah.
Yeah.
So, and then for our second...
Is this one smaller and this one's bigger? This one's
no,
sewing.
just sewing.
And the other one is no sewing.
Hand sewing. And this is the other one, it's just no sewing. Okay.
I think I prefer the one with sewing because it shapes my face. So if you download the pattern, if you download the pattern in the description box, it will definitely shape your face because there's a sewing going on. I like this one.
Yes.
More
Okay,
ko black.
so the second pattern is that you can see there's a little bit curve.
The other one is straight.
Straight because it's just no sewing. Okay.
No sewing.
Okay. And then I also have make it for me. And for me.
Char. Nice.
Oh. Okay guys, that's all for this video. And then please don't forget to check in the description box for the pattern number 1, pattern number 2, and then, and then it's just so easy and simple. As I said, we must be ready for the second wave just in case there will be a shortage of face mask. Okay.
Always wear your mask, everyone.
Yes.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe to Mama Quatang's channel. Bye for now. God bless you.
Bye guys.